Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods and exploring the 10 incredible benefits of daily chia seeds, especially for those over 50. Chia seeds might be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to promoting health and wellness. Firstly, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for maintaining heart health. This is crucial as cardiovascular concerns often increase with age. Including these tiny seeds in your diet can help regulate cholesterol and reduce inflammation, promoting a healthy heart. Secondly, chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber. As we age, maintaining a healthy digestive system becomes even more important. Incorporating chia seeds can improve bowel regularity and support gastrointestinal health, keeping you feeling comfortable and energized throughout the day. Third on the list is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants fight free radicals, slowing down the aging process and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. With their ability to combat oxidative stress, chia seeds help protect your body's cells and enhance overall longevity. Next, chia seeds are a plant-based protein source, ideal for those who may need extra protein but prefer to avoid meat. They provide the necessary amino acids that support muscle maintenance and repair, especially vital for maintaining strength as we age. Fifth, chia seeds are loaded with essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are crucial for bone health. Regular consumption can help prevent bone density loss, a common concern for those over 50. Moreover, chia seeds can aid in weight management. Their high fiber and protein content promote a feeling of fullness, which can help curb overeating. Maintaining a healthy weight is significant for overall health and can be more challenging with age. Chia seeds can also stabilize blood sugar levels. By slowing down sugar absorption, they can help prevent sugar spikes and crashes, which is beneficial for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. Eighth, chia seeds support skin health. Their omega-3 and antioxidant properties nourish the skin, reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy glowing complexion. Furthermore, they contribute to mental well-being. Omega-3s support brain health, benefiting mood regulation and cognitive function, which are crucial as we age. Finally, chia seeds are versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Whether sprinkled on cereals, blended in smoothies, or used in baking, you can enjoy their benefits daily without much fuss. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Explore the world of superfoods with us and make every day a healthy one.